Hey folks, Iana Kone here. Had a question about this one here, great one, about solve for y is the instruction. So looks like I subtracted x from both sides, and then I have this. And here, you want to put the variable first. That's the rules of math. You put variables or letters, you list them before the numbers. And notice I want to keep my negative sign. Remember that subtract x and negative x mean the same thing. You could also put, I've done this in class, you could put a 1 there, kind of like a placeholder. But the next I divide all the expressions by -2, and I come up with something a little different than ChatGPT, which caused a little confusion. I sent a ChatGPT answer out. So this simplifies to just x over 2, because the two negative signs, a negative divided by negative is a positive. And then here I've got the negative sign, so I've got the -2. Or you can put a placeholder there for 1, like 1/2 x, and the x is in the numerator, -2. Now the confusion with ChatGPT, they get this, and I shouldn't have sent this out because I don't like how a lot of math books handle this. Up here, notice I divided every expression by 2. ChatGPT just divided the whole thing by -2, which is the same thing. And then they rearranged it and almost, like, what? What's the explanation? Notice that they switched the negative x, you see? And they made it a positive x. Well, they switched the x and the 4. But notice that it was a -2 and now it's a +2. So see, negative x divided by -2 is the positive x, and 4 divided by -2 is 4. I still don't like this answer because you can't graph it. So look at the answer I gave you. These are equivalent, which means they're the same. Now, luckily on your tests, it's all multiple choice. They'd only give you the right answer, and chances are they'd give you this one. But these are equivalent, and it's too bad that there's two different types of answers, but there are. So maybe you see now how this becomes this, and that these really are equivalent. So hope this helps later.